So before we go along to see all these tools, we are going to do a basic setup of polygonal modeling. So whenever we are uh, modeling with polygons, we also rely on modifiers. So if we go to object mode, so in order to have access to the modifiers, we always have to be on object mode because it's something that is being applied to the whole object at once. And let me just press F4 so I can see my edges around here, so nice and dark. So here, if I go to the properties panel and click here on this wrench, you have the modifiers that you can add. So when we start with cubes, we are going to see how to model with cubes and how to model with planes. When we start with cubes, we always have a subdivision surface. So subdivision surface, what it does, it subdivides the mesh, and also you can have a nice smoother mesh from the object that you are modeling. So that is the result of the cube that we just did. Okay, looks like a finger.